Therefore, Yamama Kwaba once again about Ifidi Kesi. So now, in regards with the Serwaa Bruni, any Odo Bruni, any Akosua Serwaa case, no, Kamia Koye say, Bibi and some no elbow kono. I was say Kamwa. Now, yesterday, the family members, together with the lawyers of the family members, the lawyers of the family of Charles Kojo Fusdad Lumba, and also the lawyers of the first wife, Akosua Serwaa, Omunyina, Asia, court. Remember, said they went to court to say, Sisiano, a year in Semna, Kosono, say, ye be organize a year no. That lumbe your friend is saying on a particular day, and this particular day on the buy no more patch say day near December seats no. The first wife of that lumba move say enya dear papa nempono mo baby bi asanka was mo catcher or yere na odikan man can't show yere no odikan ena money or yere ketwa no eye to no sunu buafu a me no ka say odin sem no akokot na. The lawyer of Akosua Serwaa or the Simbia Babetuja yesterday who said bra omu court proceeds no we saw said na say ebimua and ebisuanfo bi omo ho no na say omu bosiri omu ni agea or just omu bo si nyane say they believe say Akosua Serwaa court no mo koye no ase kwama no and I say basically no it is going her way and as within kunima nesa na if I could see someone a lawyer eno edituja because the lawyer na patch say Akosua Odobroni may have had kids 6 kids with that lumba, okay, but then ultimately no in bremu no why and now nene ware ye nipa nene ware ye ni Akosua Serwaa de ebiana issues so honi ade but issues e wo ho nyina echi no o main divorce nti we wu a per the law no nipa oye legally legal wife in brand hu ni so oye legal wife no Akosua Serwaa it is a properties ni ade nyina na sabi ono na nensa e wo so ekoso insani de aye bebre because ehun say that lumba nebusuanfo no mugina Akosua omugina Odobroni afa ati ase na the family members too of the family members of that lumba ejina Akosua Odobroni afa na ebusuanfo binom a omoso no omo wo that lumba ebusuan that lumba is ni nua ba peni omoso mugina ye friend say Akosua Serwaa afa so Odobroni nko na Akosua Serwaa enko yen share this particular video of what lawyer no edit tuja ye babaka ye better also because there are various updates eba in regards with this whole thing na ekoso.
It will not be considered by the law because of the certificate I have. You get the point. And so that is why we say that cannot constitute a marriage. So if they have pictures of the marriage, if they have certificates, it is called bigamy, a criminal offense under our law. And probably will consider charging the woman for bigamy. And we see how it goes.
You would charge Odobroni rather for bigamy?
Yes. If there is evidence that she deliberately got married to Lumba, knowing that he was married, it's bigamy. I'm restraining myself because of the minors, the kids involved. You see, if Lumba gave birth to 6 kids, you also have to protect the kids. You cannot concentrate overly on the issue of wife and whatever. So in all our steps, we are mindful of the kids involved in this matter so that they will not be affected. Their future will be protected. Who knows it? One of them will be taken.
My last question is, if the court does not rule in your favor on the by the end of the hearing of this particular case, is your client willing to participate in the funeral process?
It is her right to participate, so she's always willing to participate. You see, if it were not for the letters written, probably won't get here. You get the point? Officially engaging a lawyer to write to her that she's not the one, then she has to fight. Otherwise, we'll not get here. So she's protecting her wife. Spousal right is very important. Apart from the right of there's also a right of property. You know that. And so the battle is not just for who to be the widow, but who is entitled to the estate of Lumba. Before Lumba met Akosua Serwaa, together they had properties. But Akosua Serwaa, the two of them, they went to the US. Abraham bought many kind of and Akosua Serwaa them. Have you heard it? Exactly. So they work together and acquire properties. And you think that she just sleep for somebody to sleep with? It don't happen. She would use her legal learning to help her. get what she's entitled to.
Thank you very much. What's your name?
I'm Lawyer William.
Thank you.
Okay, so that is exactly what really happened. But then aside from that too, people are now complaining, say, you know, all of these things are so. And there's been many reactions among people parties. A lawyer and somebody to join, you know, one yard because you see, also be charge your friend is say Akosua Serwaa for bigamy. Bigamy in terms of you can't bigamy our law more. Let me break it down. Our real Ghana yembrano a chess will be to my bako. And that Lumba now or a German citizen too. Germany hono embra aware embra ne chese ubitima ware baako aware baako no na monogamy o ware baako monogamy. Okay, but then in some parts of the world who are bibra in Muslim countries who are bibra and no your friend polygamy what you say in Ghana hanke allow say embra no ware more than one and no your polygamy. Okay, but Ghana says we also practice your friend is saying monogamy inti no so bia ware na okunu ko fechi e ware e we chira and or you could fetch a worry witch. Wo kuna wako worry witch, no. Why worry the dama worry for fra? Now you be assigned or cause some why no assign for worry for fra any if any bigamy. Okay. Aside from that too, Obana woman who crying. Emma the warrior in some cases they can charge you because you may knowingly know say papa na on any train plan. Why worry that? But what the mistress and was worry na ka ho. And no son, you openly or you knew say nipa na wire or wire that of course wire. And no son, a bit much charge also with the bigamy. But then in this case, at the end of the day, you knew exactly what is really going on in regards with say as Akosua say odo Bruno nim said that Lumba wire no wire na onim posted that Lumba no wire. Ne bia that Lumba catching is on in a age. I remember say a divorce letter came way back in 2018. Now Akosua Serwaa say or initiated divorce or then sa akomada Lumba ne busuafo because at now from 2013 that Lumba efi Germany in 2013 on see chrome ho biem all kon now say ne ba no cry baby na omo last born no baby because only Akosua Serwaa no ba miensa. So Akosua Serwaa proceeded to actually initiate the divorce. But divorce, we are learning say it did not end up in court and officially it was not dissolved. In some day bebre, but you could see the same lawyer no because all kinds of amount for bebre, we also amount for bebre on social media cast or lawyer as in some more can or who need him equity because or kasa in fact Oshemba do krana a year that the Lumba no or ne Akosua Serwaa or ne Akosua Serwaa one ba miensa and on do Bruni one ba 6. Right now we are learning say amount for bebre afre which said that Lumba on your ma awo said that Lumba nemba ye kind nyina we are learning say e cost 17. Actually I say mistress is p e won chain. It is therefore in some day bebre yenko ni yenko tie exactly what a year lawyer na san kan biom ye babaka ye beto aso.
And I'm so bema and ma awade who say ampa omawade court na bo ho ban.
There will be liberation. And this case is not circumscribed to Ghana. It's a universal matter. Ghana need be over or Iceland the crowd interest because they bought on my home by.
And I'm so bema and ma awade who say ampa omawade court na bo ho ban.
There will be liberation. And this case is not circumscribed to Ghana. It's a universal matter. Ghana need be over or Iceland the crowd interest because they bought on my home by. And in the union, I push and maybe no be at us. Young Kotaro be a Kunachi motor and fish and another Kojawa. Our dear a legal terminology. So be a warrior and also be money. Who will be well. It's a minute to so Bobby Bass on Lumba. It's also by Yakuna as some American.
Yes, one at Tran or Hombre.
And then Tran who did that. Where's ya? Will be your star. Now, the Natna was a bread. The end of the Nisicana would know our brand. I say, fans now dinner our brand. Which one? Yakaso, Yakaso, Lumba, Mianka, Umfa, you more Momaso.
I know Mamma Akosua Serwaa name in Yanomina. You better require Lumba fast.
I know there may not within my purview. Be my instructions. Channel person make us our family. Lawyer William.
Evangelist Papa Shi. With the Mammy Misak now. And I'm so bema and ma awadia who said ampa omawa de court na bo ho ban.
There will be liberation, and this case is not circumscribed to Ghana. It's a universal